Hey everybody, I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. I ordered this a while ago. It came earlier this week, but I haven't even got a chance to open it. I'm really excited. First chance to put a little pep in my step in the RC game. So get this open. You can check it out. Check it out together. This will be my first time getting it open. My dual blade on here I need to change. Got my invoice here. And what we got here? Ooh. Oh yeah. The brushless combo. See if you get that in focus there. The Easy Run Max 5 HVG2 with the 56 118 motor. Oh yeah. Yeah. Get this out of here. Okay. All right. 56 118 motor, and the Max 5 V2. I just really want to take a look at this motor. Everybody say don't get the 800 kV, get the 1100. And then you see some people that had the 1100 and say, I wish I'd have got the 800. Just because of the weight. It's going to be heavy regardless. I know that. So I might as well just stick with the most power so that way I could be able to tone it down when I want to and really turn it up. Because I do want to have that ability to run it in 12S, even though that's not the goal. Because this is my basher that it's going in, so. Whoa. That's a lot of motor. That's a lot of motor. Now this is the old motor from my Sledge. The regular 6S motor that comes in it. If I can get a side by side, get it out of there. Man, this thing's got some weight on it. I don't have a scale down here to get the weight of it, but it's heavy. So there's those two motors side by side. It's the 800 kV sensor wire right there. The 3 motor wires. And this is standing next to a Sledge motor, Traxxas Sledge. The 2000 or 2200 kV, 800 kV. That's a big difference. Oh man. All right, let's take a look at the ESC. Let me set this back over here. I don't have another. I have the Max 6 in my sledge, but I do have the stock VLX 6 motor over. ESC over here, just to get a size comparison to the Max 5 V2. Let's see wires. A lot of background noise upstairs. Everybody's up now. Tried to do everything before everybody got up. Alright, here's the VLX 6. And this is the Max 5 right next to it. Look at the size. You can't really see the capacitors in the VLX 6, but they hidden back there. 3 little bitty capacitors and 3 big boys right there. Nice big capacitors on there. There's a sensor wire there. Your little caution tag on there. Ensure ABC wire connected correctly, or the ESC or motor will be damaged. But I can't wait to get this installed. I gotta solder up all the connections. I got QS8 over here for it. There's my male QS8. That's for this, and there'll be one there, and I'm gonna have the one joined like that with the XT90 connectors, and I have I'm gonna use the XT90 anti-sparks for the batteries. Yeah, that's it for now. I gotta get everything situated so I can get started on this. This is my Sunday off, so this is what I'll be doing all day. Messing with this, getting everything all installed, and hopefully have it up and running so I could get it out hopefully next week. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Thanks a lot, everybody.